Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for Hip Kit Club. Today I am working on a layout using the May 2021 Hip Kits and the main kit only. You can see here some of the elements, some of the pattern papers, embellishments that are part of the kit. And right now I am trying to match some of the papers with the colors from the Pink Fresh Studio pattern paper that I have on the left. And the idea is going to be, I'm gonna be cutting 12 by ½ inch strips from these pattern paper and some of the other pattern papers that I have. I'm gonna try to create a pretty background with those, with a white cardstock as my base, as the base for this background. So I'm going right now for the pink, then I'm also bringing the light pink, and the idea is I have two 12 by ½ inch strip of the plain paper, and in the middle there will be the strip of the pattern. And I'm gonna do that with 4 different colors and pattern papers. We're gonna be also adding some machine stitching details. I tried 2 different papers here. I'm going with the floral with the Jen Hatfield pattern paper. I think it goes better with that teal color. Okay, and we're gonna be adhering all of these strips to the bottom half of the page, and that's the picture I'm gonna be working with, but we'll focus on that once this is all done. So first I am adding some double-sided tape. I'm not worried about making sure that it's completely adhered to the page, since I'll be adding the machine stitching on each one of the strips. All right, so here we go. The stitching details, I definitely do it not just for the look, but the texture that adds to the page. I think it's, if you have the opportunity to add that, to play with that, don't be afraid to use that sewing machine. It really adds a lot to the project. So now that photo, I added some white cardstock to get a white border, and then pattern paper, dark blue pattern paper that is from the Wonders collection from Paige Evans. This is the Amy Tangerine pattern paper, and I'm gonna use some of the elements from this cut apart sheet. For some reason, I completely forgot about the Pink Fresh Studio die cuts until I had made some elements that I wanted to add. This is gonna be the my journaling box. And I think right now, yes, we're gonna come up with the title, because I knew exactly where I wanted, and I wanted to also get that out of the way to make sure that I worked on the embellishments without getting in the way of where my title was going to be. Okay, now that we have the title, it's time to start embellishing the page, adding some of the stickers. These are some of the butterflies that I fussy cut from one of the Wonders pattern papers. Another Wonders embellishments. This is one of the banners. More butterflies, and we're almost done. Even added some. The enamel dots are not from they don't come on the main kit, but I always have few here and there that are leftovers, either from the current kit or from previous ones. And you can see how late I had my die cuts join the party, but they were perfect. I ended up playing with some of the pieces. This journaling bit was perfect for me to add the date and a couple of details at the bottom right of my page, trying to do some tone-on-tone decoration there. And this is it. The last bit of it is just adding my journaling, and we are gonna be done. So the main thing for this page was working on those strips and adding the details there. I was inspired by one of the latest layouts by Paige Evans, where she decorated the whole page with strips from a different pattern paper, and then she decorated tone on tone, but I decided to keep it all on the middle of the page around my photo and that small detail at the bottom. I wanted also the title to be the one and only thing on the top of my layout, so the eyes are directed to that point and then going down all the way. So this is it for me today. Please make sure to check the blog and the Facebook group for more inspiration. Make sure also that you grab your June 2021 hip kit. They will be shipping pretty soon, so don't miss out on those. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. This was Andrea for Hip Kit Club, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.